Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to complete your first-time verification on the LemFi app step by step. Let's get started. First, download the LemFi app from the Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and simple. After logging in, you'll need to verify your account. Start by verifying your email address. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link. Then, in the app, tap the Verify button to begin the process and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to take a clear photo of your ID, so make sure it's well lit and easy to read. Next, the app will prompt you to take a photo of your face for identity verification. Just look into the camera and follow the guide. Once everything is submitted, check your email again for a confirmation message. That's it. Your LemFi account is now under review, and you'll be notified once you're verified.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.